Mr. Principal, I cannot pay 200,000 as school fees for this chicken girl.
Emanuela, in this school, you people learn a lot of subjects. That is why your school fee is 200,000 naira.
Okay. Remove CRK. I go to church. Remove music. I like comedy. Remove French. I'm a Nigerian guy, I don't speak French. Remove handwriting. My handwriting is fine. Remove quantitative. Would that one help? Now, how much?
How much?
Uncle Ma, can I eat before going?
If I slap you, you're not eating anything.
Emanuela Samuel. Emanuela Samuel. You see that food there? Your stepmother put poison in the food. So what you will do now is sit on that chair, eat the food, and die while eating the food.
But will I eat it three?
Yes, real.
But will I die really?
It's your story. Alright, you can go.
Okay.
Action.
Emanuela, die.
Cut! He said your stepmother put poison in the food. Eat it and die while eating. But you finished the food and even drank water before dying.
But the poison was not in the food. It was in the water.
No! Your stepmother put the poison in the food and not the water.
Is it a stepmother? It's not my stepmother. It's my story now. Uncle Mackenzie, my auntie said we should write a story of 2,000 words that end with goodbye.
Which class?
Primary 2.
Jesus! Where does she expect primary 2 to get 2,000 words?
I don't know. She says test.
Oh, you're right. One day as I was coming back from school, I now saw police people blowing siren. Wah, 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 wah.
Uncle Penwa, continue.
Do 5 page. Wah.
Okay. Then
The police people now stop
the police people now stop their car
and dropped a police officer
and drop a police officer
and told him goodbye.
and told him goodbye. Uncle Mark, I wrote 3,000 words instead of 2,000 words.
I cancel 1,001.
Okay, thank you. Dad, my uncle has cassava on his farm.
Dad, we have that one. My daddy has yam on his farm.
Dad, we have that one too. My uncle has tomatoes on his farm.
Dad, we have that one too. My mommy has chicken on her farm.
Dad, we have that one too. My uncle has weed on his farm.
Weed?
Yes, there is weed on his farm.
We don't have that one on our farm.
You see, I told you, we have plenty weed on our farm. My uncle used to carry it out.
Little girl, Did you say your uncle has weed on his farm?
Yes. Plenty weed on his farm.
Does your uncle plant weed?
Yes, he used to plant it and cut it and put it inside bag.
Can you take us to this your uncle's farm?
Oh, there is no problem.
No, there is no problem at all. We are police officers.
Yes, we are police officers.
Let me see your ID card. Okay.
Don't worry, we just want to see the farm. We love weed.
Yes, we love weed.
Don't worry, my uncle has plenty weed on his farm.
This is a weed case. I repeat, this is a weed case. Over. I need a team of NDLA. I repeat, I need a team of Nigerian Drug Law Enforcement Agency. Come. Where's your uncle?
Wait, oh, why people do like this? Why people have to work?
Shh. Where's your uncle's house?
This side. What's happening?
Hey, you! Kneel on the ground! Kneel on the ground! Kneel on the ground! Where is the weed?
What's the weed?
The weed on the farm now.
What's the weed? So you used to plant weed in the farm?
No! You are doing as if you don't know.
Hey, Manela!
Where is the wind?
In fact, come let me show you the weed.
Grab them! Grab them! Hey, you two!
Yeah,
Take them! Get them along! Move it! Move it! Move it!
See weed.
Officer, me, I didn't know that Mark used to plant weed in the farm. Me, I'm innocent too.
See weed there.
Where is the weed?
Look at weed here.
This is not weed.
This is weed. Weeds are those plants that grow where they are not wanted. Look at pawpaw tree here. Look at water leaf. Look at vegetable. Look at corn. There, look at weed here. It's a wanted plant. Don't you study agricultural science in school? I thought you said you love weed. I don't even know weed. Nah, I just wasted my time coming to show you people weed. I thought you people say you love weed, and I'm showing you weed. You say it's not weed. Uncle, I'm going home.
Manuela, I hope you do better this time.
Yes, I have my magic pen now. Auntie, the person that just passed drank your tea and did not pay.
Oh, tea is free. It's for customers. Once you buy anything here, you can drink tea free of charge.
Yeah, try me, oh. I'll drink your tea, oh. I'm not talking with you.
Tea is free.
I'll drink your tea, oh.
My dear, go ahead and drink tea.
I'll just drink this tea now. I'll not pay. Hey, free tea. Auntie, I want to buy sweet. 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 Auntie, I want to buy sweet.
You want to buy sweet? Oh my God! What's going on here?
Those are my friends. I brought them to drink tea. I think customer care. You say it's customer care. They are customers now. Where they fetching the tea? Chukwemeka.
Jesus Christ! What?
Leave my life alone. Leave my life alone.
So Mark, you're saying I should leave your life alone? And you know I've been with you through your hard times.
Uncle, this auntie is right. When you were sick, she was there.
Oh, thank God.
When you had accident in Lagos, this auntie was there.
Thank you. Tell him.
When Facebook blocked your account, they wanted to kill yourself, she was there.
God will bless you.
Amen. Every time things are not going well with you, this auntie is always there.
Exactly.
Let me advise you. This auntie is bad luck.
Jesus.
Yes, now.